Now student, we will discuss the track to Gangotri. Okay, in page 196 there is a passage given there, how student will climb in the mountains. Okay, the student of class 12 are going on a track to Gangotri. Where they are going? Class 12 students. 12 students are going on a track. They are going to Gangotri. Okay, they have to pack their bags for 6 days. Okay, so they have packed their bag. That means some things they have taken for food or clothes they will take, and they will pack it in their bags. And for how many days their trip is for 6 days, and keep them light. And as they will go on walking on the Gangotri riverbed or in the mountains, okay, they have to keep their bags light. Okay, if they keep their bag light, then they will then they don't have to carry a heavy weights. Okay, then they don't have to carry heavy weights because they have to go on 6 days. They also have to take things that do not take too much space. Okay, so as they have taken only one bags with them, so that is why they don't have to take those things which will take more space. Okay, like cloths, okay, like heavy cloths, okay, like big foods. Okay, those things they will not take inside the bag. So they will look for things that have both less volume and less weight. So they will take only those items inside the bag which have less volume and less weight, because they have to go 6 days. After all, they will carry their own bags while climbing the mountains, because what I have said just now, that they have to carry their own bags. Okay, they have to carry their own bags when they will climb on the mountains. That is why they will take only those items which have less volume and less weight. Okay, because they have to go on 6 days on the mountains. They even dry the onions. Okay, they even dry the onions and tomatoes to make them light. So which type of things they will take? They will take dried onions and dried tomatoes, because the dried onions and dried tomatoes have less weight, because 1 kg of onion or tomato becomes 100 gram when the water inside dried up. So student, understand, when 1 kg of onion and 1 kg of tomato, if 1 kg of onion and 1 kg of tomato is dried up, then its weight becomes 100 grams. Okay, if 1 kg of onion and 1 kg of tomato, or 1 kg of tomato dried up, then it becomes only 100 grams. Okay, and that is why they have taken dried tomatoes and dried onions, because they will take a less weight, because it will take less weight. The least of food each person will need for one day. So how much food each person need for one day, how much food for each person need every day, the chart is given below. Okay, that is why the least of food each person will need for one day. That means how much food one person will need, how much food for one person need for one day is given below. That means the chart is given below. That means each person need 100 grams of rice, it is given there. Flour, that means atta, 100 grams need every day. Pulse, that means pulses, that means dals, 1/3 of weight, 1/3 of rice and flour. Okay, the sum of the amount of rice, 1/3 sum of the 1/3 amount of rice and flour, that means chawal and dal. Oil they need 50 gram, sugar they need 50 gram, milk powder 40 gram they need for tea. Okay, porridge and hot drink, for making these things they need 40 grams of milk. Tea they need 10 grams every day. Dalia they need 40 grams for breakfast every day. Salt they need 5 grams every day. Dried onions 10 grams every day. Dried tomatoes they need 10 grams every day. Now the first question is given here, that for 6 days each person will need rice and flour. See here, rice, each day they need 100 grams. Each day they need 100 grams of rice and 100 grams of flour. 100 grams of flour, 100 grams of flour and 100 grams of rice. Now for 6 days, each person how much they need? We will multiply by 6. Then it is 200 into 6. Then it is 200 into 6. That means 1200 gram. Okay, each day one person, each person need 200 grams. Okay, 200 grams of rice and flour. Then 6 days how much they need? We will just multiply by 6. Then it is 1200 gram. Then it need 1200 gram. Okay, next pulse, how much they need for 6 days? One third sum of rice, one third of sum of rice and flour. That means one third of rice and flour. One third, that means how much? One third of rice and flour. And for how many days it is? 6 days. We will multiply by 6. So it is how much? 3 to 6 is 2. Then 100 plus 100, 200 into 2. That means it is 400. That means how much pulse they need for 6 days? 400 grams. Okay, because pulse they need, pulse means dal. One third weight of rice and flour. One third weight of rice and flour means rice is how much? 100 grams. And flour is how much? Atta is how much? 100 grams. And pulses, that means dal, they need one third of rice and flour. The sum of rice and flour. One third of sum of rice and flour. That means one third into 100 plus 100. Okay, that is the amount of dal, that means pulse they need for each day. But here the question is for 6 days, so we will multiply by 6 days. So 1 by 3 into 6 we can cancel out. 3 to just 6, so it is 2 comes. Now 100 plus 100 is 200. 200 into 2, 2 is remain, so 2 will come here. So 200 into 2 is 400. So each day they need 400 grams. Now dried onions for 6 days. Dried onion for each day how much they need? 10 grams. How much they need? 10 grams. Okay, dried onions, how much they need? 10 grams. For 6 days we will multiply by 6. That means 60 gram. Okay, now in question number B, how much for fresh tomato should be dried for 6 days for 10 people? Okay, so for each day, see here, for each day dried tomato they need 10 grams. Dried tomato they need 10 grams for each day. So what is the question? How much fresh tomato should be dried? How much fresh tomato should be dried? So that means for 1 kg, from 1 kg we get 10 grams. From 1 kg we get 10 grams for each person. For each person, question number B, the answer of question number B, for each person, from 1 kg, for 1 kg tomato dried, we get 10 grams. We get 10 grams. Okay, we get 10 grams for 1 person. Okay, if 10% is there, if 10% for each day, 10%, how many dried tomatoes will be needed? For 1 kg, for 1 kg tomato, 1 person, each person, each day, each person, each day, each person, each day, each person, each day need 10 grams dried tomato. Dried tomato they need 10 grams, and this 10 grams comes from 1 kg of tomato, because here it is given that the data is given that 1 kg of onions or tomato becomes 100 grams. Oh sorry, it is 100 grams. So 1 kg of tomato, 1 kg of tomato dried, we get 10 grams. Okay, acha, we can write like this, okay. 100 grams dried tomato, we get 100 grams dried tomato we get from 1 kg tomato. Okay, then 10 grams, because 10 grams we need for each day, each person. Then 10 grams we will get 1 kg means 1000 gram into 10 by 100, okay, gram. Okay, this 0 and this 0 cancel out, this 0 and this 0 cancel out, so it will be how much? 100. How much it is? This 0 and 0 cancel out, this 0 cancel out, okay, then it is 100 gram. Okay, then 100 gram. So this 10 gram of tomato we can get from 100 grams of, this 10 grams of dried tomato we get from 100 grams of tomato. But the question is, how much fresh tomato we will need for 6 days? For each day we need 100 grams of fresh tomato for each person. Then for 6 days we need fresh tomato. This for 1 day. For 6 days into 6, that means 600 grams. Okay, this 600 gram we get for each person for 6 days. For 6 days each person needs 600 grams of fresh tomato. But for 10 days, the question is for 10 days. For 10 days, okay, for 10%, fresh tomato need 600 into 10, that means 6000 gram, or we can take 6 kg. Okay, 6000 gram means 6 kg. Okay, so what is the answer? How much of fresh tomato should be dried for 6 days for 10 peoples? 6 kg of fresh tomato. 6 kg of fresh tomato should be dried up for 6 days. For 6 days for 10%. Okay, 6 days for 10%. This is the answer. Okay, now question number C will be your homework. Question number C, students, will be your homework. What is the total weight of food in each person's bag for 6 days? Okay, so this is the question number C will be your homework. Thank you.